Yeah.
I might get you in the game soon.
Come on, Alvin. Can't put me on quarterback.
Yes, okay, but now's not the time for questions. It's time to play. My whistle, my whistle, my whistle.
Go.
Not right now. That's a later conversation.
Go.
Oh, go, Elvin! No, it's a flag. It's a flag. Elvin! No, I done the whistle.
Pause it. Pause it.
I was like,
Superhero.
oh, superhero.
Don't worry about it. Let it go. I already forgot. Have your teammates back.
Yeah, I mean, change the game! Change it!
I got one. Oh, Alex, you want it? You want it? Hold it. Quick.
Hey, have a seat, guys. Have a seat, everybody. Have a seat. How about you focus a moment? We just had a horrible start. Look for an area where you can contribute. Third? Yeah, we're good.
What type of phone is this? The iPhone 13?
Thank you, man.
You stupid. Wait.
Okay, we got it.
First down is at the 40. Punt. First down is at the 40. Punt. Get up. Defense, hop on.
How's Kingston starting defense?
Mango.
How was Kingston starting defense, huh?
Starting defense. Starting
Let's go, hop on.
defense.
He's barely touched the field.
Elvin, Kingston, Alex, Nate, Julian.
Here, hold it. I'm not going to. Hold it, Brody. You're not going to even be. Here, I'm going to hop in. Jamie, hold it.
No, I'm not.
You're a good recorder.
No, what is the Mace Butter? He's a good recorder. He has a lot of.
Wait, is that on?
No, he has practice. What practice?
Rambo.
Hold it.
Red flags over there. Because they needed more.
Oh my, who left him open?
Go with Gracie. Go with Gracie. Go with Gracie. Go with.
Watch out.
Move.
Jamir, move. Watch out.
Hey, what are you doing? Now you gotta wait. It's too late now. As soon as the play's over, you're in for Gracie. You guys are swapping 1-1. Hold on.
I'm trying to be DB, Brian. You got a fast player.
Hey, Rangel, running play. You need to yell that out, all right?
Gracie.
1-1. 1-1.
I'm the one listening to on the way here. Aladdin music and Frozen music. Like from the movie Aladdin.
Alex, you're too deep. You need to be up.
I'm just kidding.
Alex, you're playing like a deep. You need to be up.
Oh.
Alex, get up. You should be up there with Rangel. Closer. Watch the short pass.
There's two open.
Get.
Oh.
Alex, come on, baby, pay attention. Watch the ball. That's all you.
Very good, buddy.
Gracie.
Go, 1 and 1.
Gracie.
Come on, man, let's go. If y'all can't do it, I'll put somebody else in. Let's go. Quick, 1 and 1. I haven't switched it.
Oh, we are so disappointed.
Press up. Yeah, Rambo, press up, Rambo. Why are we acting like we're going to throw deep? They haven't proved it yet. Look for the short pass.
Open.
Hold it. Jazz, hold it.
What are they doing all the way back there?
No, it's offense.
Bro, why are you being so negative?
Negative.
You're being
I'm
negative.
not getting negative.
I said you're being negative. Let me, Mr. E, let me hop in for Kingston, bro.
I don't need to see last question. Stay back. I know he's on.
Sally.
Go, man, blitz. Man, blitz.
Safety.
Man, it's man safe. It's man bliss, not man safety.
Man, blitz right now, man, blitz. Oh, offense on, offense on. Offense on.
Me, let me go.
Offense on. Let's go, man.
Julian.
Offense on. Julian, go.
Oh my
Good
God.
Lord. Hoover, get your head out of your butt. Come on.
I'm not just trying to hop in, bro.
Grayson,
I'm
go
gonna
ahead. Do you know what you're doing now?
get no screen time, bro. For real.
I want to hear all that right now. Right now, hand up. Too late. Let's go.
Yeah, you caught that, baby.
Did he stop?
What the hell?
Oh.
I feel like, oh, he got his black out.
Gracie, you hold it.
Hey, you guys, stay on the bench. What are you filming? You're not going on defense. I want you.
Chaz gave it to me.
Ready, go.
What? What? I'm not. I feel like I'm gonna get this one out. I'm not going to win this. I'm not.
Alex. Defense, come here. Defense, hurry up. One quick switch. Taz, Alex, DB. Rambo, middle linebacker. Elvin, Kingston, linebacker. Gracie right here. Still good. You're on it. Middle linebacker.
Alright, I'm
Play
on
up.
this side.
Middle linebacker.
Wait, coach, I'm on this side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Can I blitz you? I'm off.
No, take 2 steps back.
He's the linebacker. I'm DB.
Yes.
Yeah. It's 2-2 zone.
Yep.
2-2 zone.
Anticipate, anticipate. Come on, Gracie. Let's go. Defense back on. Same defense. Go.
I'm not getting in here.
Push up, Kingston. Check your spacing. Check your spacing. Rambo, push up a little bit, Rambo. Protect the run. Protect against the run. Protect against the run. There you go. Our boy Hoover.
Let's go, Hoover.
Go. Ringhouse, stay on. She's chatting it up. It's more important. Stay on. Push up, Rambo. Watch the run. Eye on the quarterback. Anticipate. Anticipate. That boy Rambo, way to work. Stay on it. Good job, Ron Hill. Way to work, baby. Let's go, Gracie. Show me what you got, kid. Rambo, next to Gracie. Next to Gracie. Another step up. I don't want you behind her. Anticipate that short pass. Push up, Rambo. There it is.
Keep going, Maddie. Keep going, Maddie.
Rambo, a few more steps up, all right? Just don't give him that hole. Close that hole. Hey, DBs. First down is right here, huh? Oh, no run, no blitz. Man safety. Taz safety. Man safety. Man safety.
There you go.
Oh, I thought he said no run, no blitz. Thought he said no run, no blitz. I thought he said no run, no blitz. But he left it. But they left the cone right there. What is it?
Redo down. There's no run, no blitz. So you pick up the ball.
All right, man safety, same defense. Man safety, no cone there.
Yeah, wait. I think you said go run, no blitz.
Man safety?
Man safety. Press up on him. Press up on him, man safety. Press up. Alex, why are you so deep? You're behind the first down. Kingston, get up. They only need 5 yards for a first. Why are we press? That's overthrow. That's a good arm. That's a good arm. But it's our ball now. Let's go offense. Our ball. Offense on.
Offense.
Oh, no, wait. Offense, get on. Good job. You need a break home. I know. Okay, fine. All I want you to do is...
Stop being COVID.
What are we doing? Let's go, offense. Handle your business.
I'm not holding wobbly.
Just don't block the pass, let it run. Scoot up a little bit, but you can always move back. Okay, so I'm gonna have you play a little bit up, almost closer to the linebacker.
No, Jameer, you're blocking. You just made it hella blurry.
No, that.
You made it blurry now. It's not blurry.
Oh, hold on. Let's see how we get this going. Let's go. Come on, guys. Come on, Hoover. Take your time. You got all day. You got all day. I know you guys are here.
I'm not holding it wobbly.
Yep.
Oh my God.
After this play, you guys all come in.
So I'm 1, 2, 3.
I'm watching Julie.
Alright.
Wait, Julian's 15.
You got this, Elvis?
I didn't even be in the game yet.
I know. You didn't get anything, did you? I'll let them get that one back real quick. Hey, good work.
Yeah, Nathan definitely has it. What's our next game? No, what time?
7:20.
Again?
Or 9:20.
9:20. 9:20. 9:20.
The last 2 games.
Go, Juju, go! Don't stop! In there? Let's go. Go for one. Hop in now. Hop in now. Hop in now. Go, no. One.
Oh my God!
Keep it off from you.
Everybody come in for a second. You guys are still
We're gonna do one?
Let's go, Mustangs. Here we go. Get us one.
Let's do this, Mustangs. Let's go. Let's go, Mustangs. Let's go, Mustangs. Let's go.
Oh, you had LeMay. Why do we? LeMay wide open, baby. All right. Defense, hop on. Hey, way to get open, LeMay.
Same defense.
I saw you.
The same defense that was on last time?
Way to
Can
get
I
open,
blitz?
I saw you. Whoever was on last time.
Can I
go.
blitz?
Yep. Same defense that was on last time. Starting up, let's go. Is that a pick? That was quick. All right. Go. Starting offense, go.
Rainbow! No way.
Hurry up, get no breakdown. Starting offense. Good job, Rambo.
We lead up 10 points.
So,
10 points. We lead up 10 points. Us. Can. Oh my God. Stop.
Joseph, there it is.
Oh!
It's all right. It's usually money. You all right? You all right? There you go. We let that go. It's over. No, give one more. We're giving him 2, and then we'll do another. Hey, speed it up. 15 seconds. Come on. 15 seconds. Quick. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that's the same team. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh!